What up, y'all? It's Marco, man. Cooking up more dope than the Narcos, man. You already know young nigga from the Ghost, so a nigga can't go, and that's just how it go, you feel me? Young nigga trying to glow, that's all. But, man, so look, y'all, I fucked everything up, y'all. Wanna have to get your waves booming? So, gee, I got sent off like 4 days in a row by 2 different barbers. So, as a last resort, nigga, I get my hair cut. I knew it was a problem, bro. As soon as I walked in there, it was just all Caucasians. It was just white. Then it was nothing but white female barbers, okay? I'm not a racist and I'm not a woman basher, but white and female don't mix with barber for black guys, G, like. So anyway, you know what I'm saying? We back in this thing, like cracking this thing, man. Black don't crack in this thing. But, y'all, so now we basically gotta start. I mean, like, the top still kind of decent and shit, but you feel me? You know what I'm saying, man? My first gotta go now, man, for real. Got the Russian waves, you feel me? You already know. So, bro, shit is crazy, bro. I'm like, damn. Gee, I'm talking about as soon as I walked in, I'm like, nah, bro. Walk back out. I'm like, just walk back out. They can't say nothing to you. I'm talking about, no. Man, I need this haircut though. Dude, because I was looking rough. Somebody, she fucked up over here. Jim. That shit fucked up, bro. I'm like, damn, dude, you try to give motherfuckers a chance and play you, you feel me? Nah, it's like, man, I gotta do all this shit over. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make sure everything is perfect. Dude, you feel like, look, I see them like right there and shit, but it was like, it looked like they was coming in over here when my hair was growing and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? Oh, Kurt. And this motherfucking brush hurting my head now, bro. She can cut my hair too low or something, dog. Yo, don't fuck with the white barbers. Hey, hold on. Don't fuck with the white barbers. Hey. God damn, don't fuck with no white barbers, damn. Hey, god damn, don't fuck with no white barbers, hey. Nah, but yeah, man. So, you know what I'm saying? We back on this thing, just brushing, you feel me? To get these motherfucking 360s in, dog. We finna get these waves booming. I'ma do it with y'all. If I ain't get sent off, bro, trust me, bro, it'll be a better haircut. The waves will be in that G. I'm talking about G. As soon as I sit down, she's like, yeah, whatever. I'm like, yeah, let me get an even wave, you know what I'm saying? Let me get that 1.5 blade, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, hooking nigga up. Bro, I'm talking about first thing she do, she sit me down, put the little neck thing on, bro. Talking about her hands were so soft, they was just so silky. I was like, oh, okay, that feel kind of nice. Right? Nigga, I'm talking about, whoa, hey, woo, fam. What are you doing? Talking about going backwards on my shit, bro. You tweaking. You gotta go with the wave, shorty. What are you doing? She like, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I'm like, yeah, this is over with. Gee, shit is crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying, man? Young nigga from the Ghost, so a nigga can't go. I don't let shit get in my way. Can't nothing prevent me from being great, you feel me? Alright. But yeah, man, it's just a quick video now. Since I done blew everything, I know y'all probably disappointed. But for those of you who know how progress works, you know what I'm saying? And you believe in a young nigga, you feel me? I'm trying to let y'all know that these motherfuckers finna be booming. Just give me a couple, you know what I mean? By my next haircut, probably not, man. But I gotta find a real ass barber, bro. I promise you, G. I'm talking about, bro. Come to the shop tomorrow at 9. I'm gonna wake up just for you. All right, bet. 9 o'clock, boom, nothing. What, nigga? What the fuck is you talking about? How? But yeah. Then, you know. Be on that bullshit. But it's whatever, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That ain't nothing. we gonna wrap this up, you feel me? I believe we at the 5-minute mark, something like that, man. I ain't finna have y'all here all day. While I bullshit, I gotta start all over, man. I'm really blue, y'all. But like this video, you know what I'm saying? Comment the best way to get your haircut to get these motherfuckers booming. You know what I'm saying? That's something I ain't think about. Like, am I supposed to get it even? Should I get the sides tapered? Should I not get the back tapered? Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't think about shit like that. Let me know for real, man. I really appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I'm asking from the bottom of my stomach. You feel me? I ain't got no heart. Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? But nah, yeah. Subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? I'd appreciate it, man. I am the man.